What are you waiting for? Welcome to my YouTube channel Glazenia. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Hey there, lovely. Welcome to our channel, where we help you upgrade your lifestyle and become the best version of yourself. Today, we're talking about something that's really important for making a good impression, avoiding mistakes that make you look cheaper. From fashion faux pas to social media blunders, we'll cover the top 10 mistakes that can make you look cheaper and provide you with tips on how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, wearing low quality or ill-fitting clothes. Wearing low quality or ill-fitting clothes. When you wear clothes that are too tight, too loose, or made of cheap materials, it can give the impression that you're not willing to invest in yourself. Instead, focus on building a wardrobe of high quality, well-fitting pieces that make you feel confident and put together. Mistake number 2, overusing logos and brand names. Overusing logos and brand names. While it's okay to indulge in a few luxury items, overdoing it can give the impression that you're trying too hard to show off your wealth. Instead, focus on building a personal style that's understated yet elegant. Mistake number 3, not taking care of your personal grooming. Not taking care of your personal grooming. When you don't take the time to style your hair, trim your nails, or shave, it can give the impression that you're not detail-oriented or that you don't care about your appearance. Instead, make sure to prioritize your personal grooming and take care of the little things that can make a big difference. Mistake number 4, using poor grammar and spelling. Using poor grammar and spelling. When you don't take the time to proofread your emails, texts, or social media posts, it can give the impression that you're not educated or that you're not detail-oriented. Instead, make sure to take the time to proofread your writing and use proper grammar and spelling. Mistake number 5, being too available on social media. Being too available on social media. When you're constantly posting, commenting, and liking, it can give the impression that you're desperate for attention or that you're not busy with more important things. Instead, make sure to set boundaries on social media and prioritize your real-life relationships and activities. Mistake number 6, not being authentic. When you try to be someone you're not, or pretend to have interests you don't really have, it can give the impression that you're insincere or that you're trying too hard to fit in. Instead, make sure to be true to yourself and let your authenticity shine through. Mistake number 7, talking too much about yourself. Talking too much about yourself. When you dominate conversations and only talk about your own interests and accomplishments, it can give the impression that you're self-centered or that you're not interested in others. Instead, make sure to listen actively and show genuine interest in others. Mistake number 8, not respecting boundaries. Not respecting boundaries. When you don't respect others' boundaries or personal space, it can give the impression that you're not considerate or that you're not willing to listen. Instead, make sure to respect others' boundaries and prioritize their comfort and consent. Mistake number 9 is being late or unreliable. When you're consistently late or fail to follow through on commitments, it can give the impression that you're not responsible or that you don't respect other people's time. Mistake number 10 is not practicing good manners. When you don't use basic manners like saying please and thank you, or when you're rude to others, it can give the impression that you're not respectful or that you're not considerate of others. Thanks for watching, beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content on personal growth, self-care, and lifestyle development.